And then they would be cutting the barley all along, you know, August and September. Well, they were getting their bit then extra.
Would you give us the bit of the cow and the fair over? He's cut on the end of a record again.
Oh, could you start with a glay ferric prayer and a guide?
What?
Could you tell us about when the wild geese were coming again, and then tell us about the woman taking the cow to the fair?
Oh, they...
Right?
In Gooey?
Yes.
Ved chet var sharing was een njarach.
Yeah.
It was a narach.
Glay ferric.
And with grey, kehokka. And then you the girl bet the wee was it
Mr. Warren.
as kehokka. And then and the hour as all use over with grey gargera to go to take it off them. That's in Van the row and Shan Van or Skillabridge as any gold as in Merga, the crack and Boer. As any crack a Boer the Dunja. As Kleine Helle, Rennie Briar and Dunja. Kanash den Boer Juden, Juden. Oh, the holy old lungy. As said, there's you don't know ash, she said. Oh, thy bulljack, he said, thy bradach. As than jow lungy. But they might than a kern.
Shen, what are those noises they would say for the driving pigs? That wasn't it?
Oh, tura.
What to the calves?
Chebeg.
And was there anything to the lambs?
No,
Or to the dogs?
no, I never heard of it,
That's the horses when they're ploughing.
The horses when they were driving. And Shirach, Coran Shirach was a kidding. That's the plough. To put the Shirach in is a pair of horses.
Oh, sure.
That's what the old people always called a pair of horses, the Shirach. And the kidding was the plough. Coran and Shirey. Or they would say Coran Shirey, yeah,
What were people saying when they were hearing the wind dropping a bit?
Oh, the Sanjarach. But what else did I say that the wind was doing?
Gesture.
Oh, Geistach, yes. That was when it would be holding, you know, softening, you know, and there would be hardly a sound. Shh, like that. The Geistach. And when they would be making the porridge, oatmeal porridge, stirring it with the marjaboirach, the pot stick, you know, the oatmeal porridge will fizz up. Sometimes used to be fizz up. And the gaujea, the gintnish,